Hi guys, Rashmi here, your skincare and beauty advisor. So today, I'm not here with a skin or a hair remedy. I'm here with a remedy to soothe your soul. I'm here with the recipe for turmeric milk, which is a very well-known drink made of milk, turmeric and a few other ingredients which are very nourishing and soothing to the body. This drink tastes especially very delicious and comforting during the cold winter days or during the time of sickness, like when you have a flu or a cold or a sore throat. It also promotes really peaceful and deep sleep, and it sure heals your body from within. The ingredients used in this milk have a very warm consistency, thus making the body feel warm and cozy from within. It is also very filling because of the semolina, or what's called rava or suji in Urdu. So on the days when you're sick and you don't feel like eating but you have to before taking medicine, or at night when you are feeling very cold, this drink is perfect to fill you and warm you up. So without further ado, let's get started with the recipe for this delicious, yummy goodness. So before starting the procedure, I would really appreciate it if you can like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's quickly look at the ingredients. The recipe that I'm showing is for 2 cups of milk. So here I have 2 cups of milk. I have my dry fruits which are already crushed up over here. I've taken almonds, pistachio and walnuts. You can choose any dry fruit of your choice, but I've had it crushed up over here and they're not very finely crushed. They're a bit chunky, big chunks. I have semolina, suji or rava as it's called in Hindi Urdu. I have 2 teaspoons of suji. I have a half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I have a few strands of saffron, kesar or saffron as it's called in English. And for sweetening, I'll be using honey. You can use sugar as well, but I prefer to use honey because honey is also soothing when you're sick or you have a cold or a sore throat. So let's look at the procedure, how to make it. So the first thing that I'll do is I'll pour in the milk into the pan and light up the stove. And I'll wait for the milk to get warm before I add anything else. So now that the milk has warmed up a little bit, I'm adding in the suji, the semolina, and stir it so that it doesn't clump up in the pan. And I'll add the turmeric as well. And then I'll wait for the milk to get a little more warmer, and then I'll add in the saffron or the saffron. So just stirring, making sure it's not sticking in the bottom. So the milk looks like it's about to start boiling now. That's when I'll add in the saffron, and I'll slow the heat down and stir it. Make sure that you always add the saffron when the milk is really hot, or any dish that you're making with saffron. Make sure that the milk is really hot or the liquid is really hot, and then that way it's easier to get the color out of the saffron. And now we will cook this milk for the next 5 to 7 minutes to make sure that the semolina or the suji is properly cooked and it's not undone. And we will let it simmer and make sure that it doesn't stick to the bottom. We just have to keep stirring every 1 or 2 minutes. And once it's done, I will show you. So it's been about 5 or 6 minutes, and it looks like the semolina is cooked. It has swelled up a little bit, and you can tell that it's done. 5 minutes is a good time. Even if you don't know anything about semolina, you can just cook it for 5 minutes and it should be done by then. And so we're going to turn off the stove, and now we will pour it out. So here you are. Delicious turmeric milk is now ready. If you like my video, please do not forget to like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And if you make it, please do comment below and let me know how did it turn out for you. You all take care until next time. Bye-bye.